Hello, my name is Dean Lohman with Heaven's Reach Ministries. We are here at a local dairy here in Honduras, La Esperanza in Tubaca. We are coming to this dairy farm today. They are giving us milk for the feeding center so we can serve rice with milk. So we're coming in the dairy farm here. Some young ones about to come up. And we'll find here they're milking the cow right now, and so whenever they're done milking this cow, they're gonna give us this milk so we can feed the kids at the feeding center. Thank God that He has touched the hearts of those in the States and here in Honduras. There you have it, milk fresh from the cow. Now back to the kitchen to process it.